Hello viewers, and welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I am Brian Fagan from the Law Office of Brian Fagan, and today we are going to be discussing a crucial and often misunderstood topic. What do you do if you've made mistakes in handling CPS charges? It is not uncommon to feel overwhelmed and to make decisions that might not be in your best interest when dealing with CPS. If you've taken the wrong steps, don't panic. Here's how you start to fix it. Consult with an experienced family law attorney immediately. If you haven't already, it is essential to consult with an experienced family law attorney who is familiar with Child Protective Services cases. If you've made mistakes, an attorney can help you assess the situation and create a plan to address any missteps. They can guide you on how to proceed and protect your rights moving forward. The sooner you get a professional legal advice, the better your chances are of correcting course. Reassess, address the allegations. If you've already interacted with CPS and made statements that might not be in your favor, it is time to reassess the situation, carefully review the allegations against you with your attorney. It is important to understand the nature of the charges and whether there's additional evidence or context that could be used to challenge them. Your attorney can help you to gather new evidence or present a more accurate picture of your situation. Cooperate and comply with the court orders. If you've been non-compliant with the court orders or Child Protective Services recommendations, now is the time to start cooperating. Compliance shows the court that you are serious about making positive changes and that you are willing to do what it takes to regain custody of your children. If you missed deadlines or didn't attend required classes or counseling, start participating immediately and document your efforts of trying to participate immediately. Communicate carefully. If you've already made statements to the CPS that may not have been helpful, it is important to be more cautious moving forward. Avoid making further statements or signing any documents without your attorney's approval. Any communication with Child Protective Services should be strategic and carefully considered, ideally with your attorney present advising you. Take steps to demonstrate an improvement in your situation. If Child Protective Services is concerned about your specific issues like living conditions, parenting skills, or behavior, start taking proactive steps to address these concerns. This might involve improving your home environment, attending parenting classes, seeking therapy, or addressing any other issue identified by Child Protective Services. Demonstrating a commitment to improvement can positively influence the outcome of your case. Making mistakes in a CPS case can feel daunting, but it's not the end of the road. By consulting with an experienced attorney, reassessing, readdressing the allegations, cooperating with court orders, communicating carefully, and taking proactive steps to demonstrate improvement, you can work towards correcting your course and protecting your parental rights. Thank you for joining us today for this important discussion. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more legal insights. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.